Hello friends, how are you? In last video you show the basic concepts of capacitor, and in last video I told you how a capacitor formed, what is the symbol and its units. Device is very important. It is known as basic component. Remember, in entire 12th standard you are going to study five basic components. First one is capacitor, that presently we are studying. In next chapter you will see resistor, which is also very important important component. Then we will see inductor in next part, and then we will see some semiconductors. Okay, so remember, this thing is very important, and basically you will get some questions from this part. So remember this part carefully and pay attention, 100% attention on this theory as well as this capacitor portion. Okay, now moving ahead, for capacitor, another theory of capacitor is to find the capacitance of parallel plate capacitor. Remember, in last time I told you that while we have two type of conductors, uh, conduct conductors, so commonly this conductor is known as plates, and it is mount on ceramics or something else, okay, to protect environment. Fine. Now over here we have another theory. So at present you can see this as shown in diagram. This is a plate, okay, having area A. Identical plate we are going to consider over here. First plate is this one and the second plate is this one. Now separation distance from first plate to second plate, that we have a small d. Okay, and over here we are going to find capacitance of this capacitor. Since both plates are parallel to each other, this capacitor is known as parallel plate capacitor. Okay, now let us deposit some number of charges. As we know that basically function of capacitor is to store charges, means one type of energy it is storing. Now one by one over here we are going to deposit number of charges like this. You have to deposit such a charge on either plate, means एक साइड के प्लेट पर जैसे ही आप चार्ज डिपॉजिट करोगे, ऑटोमेटिकली बाय नेचर अपोजिट साइड पर दूसरी अनलाइक चार्ज, मीन्स नेगेटिव चार्ज डिपॉजिट होना स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे. रिमेंबर, वॉट एवर नंबर ऑफ चार्जेस डिपॉजिट ऑन positive plate, similar number of charges deposit on negative plate. So this is positively charged plate and this one is negatively charged plate. Separation distance from there is d. Okay, now as we know that since a charge is present over here, so electric field is produced. Remember, for positive charge particle, electric field is radially outward direction, and for negatively charged particle it is radially inward direction. Hence, in between these two plates such a electric field produced, and that electric field is a uniform electric field. Remember, this electric field whatever produced between two plates of the capacitor is uniform, means this is nice arrangement or nice device. If we need a uniform electric field, then we can use this device easily. Okay, now let's start the theory. At present our aim is to find capacitance. So this is a simple theory. Two conducting metal plates of equal surface area, means A will be the surface area, are placed parallel near to each other at the distance d between two plates. Okay, and as you can see over here, q amount of charge is deposit. Okay, whether it is positive or negative, that doesn't matter, but we are taking only magnitude. So if q be the charge on the capacitor, in that case surface charge density we can easily find, which is sigma equal to q upon a. Give equation number 1. Now as you know that electric field produced, so electric field between both the plates due to the plate positive plate, which is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught, and similarly due to negative charging plate, which is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So net electric field produced over here between these two plates is E1 plus E2. Okay, and that we are considering as E1 plus E2, means sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So resultant electric field between two plate is sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. Okay, one more thing I would like to share. Over here arrow indicate direction of electric field. For positive plate it is moving this direction, means suppose it is x-axis, in that case it is negative x-axis, and over here it is negative x-axis. So magnitude, resultant magnitude for electric field outside the capacitor will be 0. Okay, but in between two plates we have electric field, and that electric field we have this one. Okay, now find out potential over here. Sorry, one more point. But as we know that sigma equal to q upon a, so E equal to we have q upon epsilon naught into a. Fine, equation number 3. Okay, if V be the potential difference between two plates, so V equal to basic equation we have E dot D. Okay, so put it over here. Now put the value of E over here, so we will get this equation q epsilon naught a into D. Now we are sending q over here, so remains thing is D upon epsilon naught a into a. V upon q as it is. Now taking reciprocal, so we have this equation q upon v equal to epsilon a upon d, but q upon v is nothing but it is capacitance of capacitor. So final answer for parallel plate capacitor is epsilon a upon d. So this is a very nice theory, and remember this equation is basically very useful equation for numerical purpose and for many theory. Okay, so pay attention, 100% focus should be your in this theory. Okay, if you have any query, if you have any questions, ask me anytime. Till then, thank you very much. Bye bye.